Welcome to this new TIAConnect tutorial. We will see how to establish a multi-instance connection using TIAConnect. Let's start by launching the TIAConnect API application. We will start this first instance in headless mode. To do so, we let the 5-second timer run and the application will automatically launch the TIAPortal instance in headless mode, without the interface. The TIAPortal application is now open in no UI mode. TIAConnect has been launched and attached to an instance of TIAPortal in headless mode. Launching another instance in interactive mode. Press the O key on the keyboard. The TIAPortal is open in normal mode with the interface. The TIAConnect application is successfully launched with the TIAPortal in interactive mode. We can observe that one instance is open on port 9000 and another instance on port 9001. Let's now open an instance of the TIAPortal through its native launcher. We have our new TIAPortal instance open and another one launched via TIAConnect in interactive mode. Let's launch a new instance of TIAPortal Connect. TIAConnect automatically detects an orphan instance of the TIAPortal and proposes to attach to this instance. Enter the instance number here, instance number 1, and validate your choice. TIAConnect will automatically attach to the already open TIAPortal instance. We are currently connected to the manually open TIAPortal instance and TIAConnect is linked to this instance on port 9002.